Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube class. Today I am going to explain alpha decay and energy released in alpha decay. As shown in figure, every nucleus consists number of protons and neutrons. And the protons and neutrons are binding together by strong nuclear forces. When the nucleus consists equal number of protons and neutrons, then that nucleus is said to be stable nucleus, that is n equal to z. When number of neutrons is greater than to number of protons, that is n greater than to z, then the stable nucleus turned into unstable nucleus, and this unstable nucleus becomes stable nucleus by decay process. Here our topic is alpha decay. Decay says that loss of mass. Now let us know the definition of alpha decay. Alpha decay is the process of emission of alpha particle from the heavier nucleus. In alpha decay, radioactive atom decays into a fresh radioactive atom by decreasing its atomic number by 2 and mass number by 4 with the emission of 2 helium-4. 2 helium-4 is called a alpha particle. Some examples for alpha decay. First one, uranium decays into a thorium with the emission of alpha particle. Second one, bismuth decays into titanium with the emission of alpha particle. Now let us know some properties of the alpha particle. Alpha particle denotes with alpha or alpha 2 plus or helium 2 plus. Next, alpha particle is identical to the nucleus of a helium 4 atom. Next one, mass of the alpha particle is 4 atomic mass units or 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. Spin of the alpha particle is 0. Next one, kinetic energy of the alpha particle is 5 mega electron volts. Last one, speed of the alpha particle is 5% of the speed of the light. I can explain important points regarding alpha decay. First one, alpha decay follows conservation of charge and nucleons and conservation of linear momentum. Last one, conservation of mass and energy. Second one, in case of alpha decay, mass of the parent nucleus is greater than to sum of the masses of daughter nucleus and alpha particle. The decrease in mass appears as the kinetic energies of alpha particle and daughter nucleus. That means initially parent nucleus is at rest. After decay, daughter nucleus and alpha particle have some amount of energies. Therefore, in alpha decay, some amount of energy will be released. Now we have to calculate energy released in alpha decay. We can derive energy released in alpha decay. This is the equation for alpha decay. This is called parent nucleus. After decay, it is called daughter nucleus. This is alpha particle. Q is energy released in alpha decay. Kinetic energy equation of m square. Let us consider mp indicates mass of parent nucleus, md indicates mass of daughter nucleus, vp indicates velocity of parent nucleus, and vd indicates velocity of daughter nucleus. Now we can find energy released in alpha decay. Q equal to final energy minus initial energy. Final energy is related to daughter nucleus energy and alpha particle energy. Initial energy is 0 because parent nucleus is at rest. Finally we get equation 1. From law of conservation of linear momentum, initial momentum equal to final momentum. Initially, parent nucleus is at rest, so value is 0. Final momentum, momentum of daughter nucleus and momentum of alpha particle. The equation 2, Vd indicates velocity of daughter nucleus. The magnitude value we consider positive only, m alpha v alpha by md. By substituting equation 2 in 1, we get q equal to half md m alpha square v alpha square by md square plus half m alpha v alpha square. By taking common half m alpha v alpha square, half m alpha by md plus 1. Since m alpha is mass of alpha particle is 4, md mass of daughter nucleus is a minus 4. By replacing m alpha by md by 4 by a minus 4, we get q equal to half m alpha v alpha square, half 4 by a minus 4 plus 1. Here half m alpha v alpha square is kinetic energy of alpha particle. Finally we get energy released in alpha decay Q equal to E alpha of A by A minus 4. This is the final answer. Here X produces Y by emission of alpha particle. If X is radium, then what is the name of element Y? Write the element name in comments box.